Tapos na to.
Bila.
Parang lalakad tayo pabalik na.
Tapos ng vlog siya.
Ayaw sa'yo! Ayaw sa inyo!
All the time. Pero I would suggest along the way to 1 hour more than, diba? I would suggest na let's switch partners or group every 15-20 minutes. Para at least we can get to know each other.
DJ. First stop.
First station.
First station. So we're gonna change for rest. This is our first rest stop, and then we're gonna prepare for assault. Okay. Guys, ang mga kids, slowly lang po tayo. Just slowly and ano po, just catch your breath, ha?
Paano i-catch ang breath? Big facial expression.
Hinay-hinay lang po tayo.
500 steps.
Ha?
5 minutes.
15 to 20.
Ito? Ilan? Wow!
15 to 20 minutes to.
Amazing. Sa atin. Sige na. Sa atin.
Para makarest din. Rest tapos picture. Rest lang po, ha? CJ. How are you, CJ? Are you energized? After this, we're gonna go swimming.
A shadow show. You know that? No. You put a light together, and we put some figures, and then it look like a show.
Kaya pa ba?
Group na tayo!
Group pa tayo, TJ.
Wala na kami.
And hoping na maging mas secure pa yung trabaho. Hindi lang sa akin, para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino dito sa Malaysia. So,
Ang bilis nyo. Tumatakbo na nga kami eh.
di pa unahin yung mga sa ano po. Make way na lang po, make way. Paakyat na po tayo, ha. Tayo.
Thank you, Ate.
We made it. We made it.
The question is, do you want to do this again? Yes! Alright, let's do it again and again, you know?